In recent years, hydrogen-infused water has gained popularity as a health drink. But what exactly is it, and what benefits does it offer? Hydrogen-infused water is regular water that has been infused with extra hydrogen molecules. This infusion aims to harness the potential health benefits of hydrogen. So, what are the benefits? Let's explore 5 health benefits of drinking hydrogen-infused water. First, it acts as a powerful antioxidant. Hydrogen molecules can help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Second, it could reduce inflammation. Some studies suggest that hydrogen has anti-inflammatory properties. Third, drinking hydrogen water may improve athletic performance by reducing fatigue. Athletes find it beneficial for quick recovery. Fourth, it can support metabolic health. Hydrogen-infused water may help improve insulin sensitivity. Last, it may promote skin health. Some research suggests that drinking hydrogen water can improve skin quality and hydration. In conclusion, hydrogen-infused water presents various potential health benefits, but remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making any major changes to your diet. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information.